This question requires that you know how to differentiate using the chain rule. You're given a function which has constants a and b, and now you're also given the gradient function of that function which has no constants a and b in it. And this is exciting because we have to find a and b. So let's take that function and now let's differentiate it with the a's and the b's. Notice that we're using the chain rule because this is a composite function where we use this is the composite function. This is the function within the function. So we'll first differentiate the outer function. So a, we take that down over there, and now we just rewrite the 2x minus b right where it was before, but now we need to change the a diminishing by -1, so that will become a -1. And having done that, we'll just differentiate the inner function, 2x minus b, so that will just be 2. So I'm multiplying this, and if I simplify this, this will look like this: 2a 2x minus b, and so we've got an a minus 1. And we came up with a gradient function here that doesn't look anything like the upper function that we're given up here, the gradient function, but maybe it does. So let's just equate them. So we want 24x squared minus 24x plus 6 look like 2a, 2x minus b, and a minus 1 exponent. And it looks to me like that left-hand side could undergo some rearrangement. So let's have a look at that left-hand side function. Firstly, I know that it's a binomial, but I'll take the factor out here because it's the lowest 6, and 6 goes into 24, so I'll take it out. And now I shall be able to factorize that binomial over here. So I was able to recognize straight away that this is a perfect square binomial, and I factorized it to 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Now, if you don't know that this is a perfect square binomial, you might have to factorize it the long way. If you can't remember how to do it, you can go into one of my YouTubes, shown here on the right hand side. It's just one of the ways of doing this. You may find that you want to do it in a different way. And coming back to our gradient function, we can now say that this is 6, 2x minus 1, 1 to the power of 2. And do you see any similarity with this equation over here up above? I'll rewrite it again. Okay, so I can see that 6 can be equated to 2a. I can also see that this 2 can be equated with a minus 1. And I can see that I can equate the function inside here with the function below here. And therefore, 6 is equal to 2a. And this means that a is equal to 3. And if 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus b, well, that is obvious that b must equal to 1. And so we have found the constants a and b. So now our function can be rewritten as 2x minus 1 to the power of 3. So if you found this useful and helpful, then please subscribe and you'll get some of my other videos.